Today is snowing and it's winter and it's really cold. And look, it's snowing.
Snowing, right?
Yeah, and tomorrow we're gonna make a snowman, but tomorrow I have to do school and then we get snowman.
So we're having a winter. We're having a winter storm today. Look outside, Kaylee. Look.
There's people outside. She has the same thing of me that I had.
Look, guys, it's
Hola.
getting
Hola. Hola.
cold. It's very, very cold.
Really?
You want to show your friends you're a snowman? You want to show Olaf? Show Olaf.
Look, he's all dirty right here.
He's all dirty. You have to clean it. What happened? What happened? Mommy, you're stepping on the thing. What happened? That's it.
Maybe just hold them so don't fall.
You don't need to hold it. It's gonna stay.
I know. We just get
Let me see. Yeah. Let him stay.
and look, okay, step on this.
So you're going outside later?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow? You're gonna show them later how bad it is.
Yeah, look.
And this is your what?
Wait.
And this is your what? Your snowman? You had to make a snowman outside.
I know. We will show you later after it's
It's getting cold in here, Kaylee.
I know. And look, footsteps because we're
It's
doing
freezing. Can we go inside? Yes, please.
I don't want to. I want
You don't want to go inside. It's freezing. It's like super duper cold.
I want to make a snowman outside.
You make a snowman outside. We need to get more snow to make a snowman, you know?
Yeah. Guys, there's too many snow.
Too much. It's getting windy.
I know. I just want to play. Guys, I want to show you about the snow. Look. Look.
What are you doing?
I'm cracking
You
up.
cannot throw that outside in the street, Kaylee. People already clean. Everybody's cleaning the cars.
No, I'm just doing snowballs and throwing that at them. Jen.
What? Get Bella. Bella, come.
Can you take like a shovel?
Come over here.
Go, let's go. Come on. Come on. I got you.
Guys, this one is gonna be huge.
Can you help Bella coming over here?
Bella, come on.
Let's go.
Jen.
No, pero help, like, pero grab her hand.
Kaylee, grab Kimbella's hand.
No.
Leave that. Kaylee.
Mommy, Bella's nose is turning red.
Kaylee. So you got hungry after the snow?
I got hungry after the snow.
And you told Daddy to buy you pizza? To buy you pizza? What are you eating right now? What is that?
This is so they didn't have cookie pizza, but we have brownie pizza, and I love it. I don't.
That's
like
chocolate brownie? And how many pizza you just ate?
2.
2 cheese pizza? You like pizza very much, right? Mm-hmm.
I don't like the inside. I only like it.
And you got tired cleaning the snow? It was a lot of snow, right?
Yeah, I just want to play with Jen and play snowball, but we cannot because then we're gonna make a mess and put it in the car.
Because people were cleaning. So if you were playing with the snow, then you were gonna make a mess. And all the people outside were cleaning their cars, right? Did you help mommy clean the car?
Maybe, but Daddy did it.
Daddy did it?
Because I'm too little.
You are too little to help me clean the car?
Gambella.
Do you like snow or you don't like the snow?
I love snow.
But it makes a lot of mess, right?
But it's okay. We can take it off.
We can take it out. Next week is gonna snow again. You know that? So we're gonna have a what?
Snow white.
Christmas. Maybe it's gonna snow on Christmas. When is Christmas? When is it Christmas, John?
And
December 25th.
Yeah, but what day?
The 25th.
But what day? Is it Wednesday, Thursday?
I think it's in one. How do you say it? I think it's in one of the weekends next week.
Weekends.
Yeah, weekend. It's supposed to be in the weekend.
no.
That's what I know.
What do you buy me for Christmas? Do you buy me something? I want
I want to buy you new jewelry, like nice.
You wanna buy me a jewelry?
It's nice,
I
nice
like
jewelry.
that. Kaylee, what you gonna buy me for Christmas? I want some shoes.
Shoes.
Like high heel shoes.
High heel shoes.
I need a nice shoes for
It's too expensive than my car.
it's too expensive.
High
So I can wear it for New Year. So I can look pretty.
I know, but that's too expensive. I don't know how I'm gonna get it for my money.
How much money do you have?
$5.
$5? We can buy my shoes with $5.
What?
Yes. Can you give me your $5?
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding.
Why do you want me to buy my dollars and put it in your shoes?
Can you give me your $5 so I can buy my shoes?
Oh my gosh! Why are you asking me for that?
You don't want to give me your $5? No, because you want to buy toys.
I just want toys.
You want toys.
For Christmas? I don't. Why I love toys? That the same
So you're
thing.
not going to give me anything for Christmas?
I don't know what I'm gonna give you because
She wants shoes.
I want shoes.
I know, but that's so expensive.
Then you ask Daddy.
Kelly, how are you gonna?
You can ask Daddy so
How
he
you-
can buy me shoes.
How are you gonna
That's
make more
too
money?
expensive.
Kelly, you have $5. How are you gonna make more money?
don't know.
She's going to ask Daddy so he can buy me shoes. Right, Kaylee?
Yeah.
She looks like the Grinch through that cup.
Yeah, it looks
If you look through the cup, she looks like.
Uh-oh.
That was some good pizza.
You like the pizza too? I love the
I got
pizza.
pepperoni pizza and from
Ew,
Domino's.
pepperoni.
I love Domino's.
I love Hawaiian pizza.
My favorite, how do you say it?
Pepperoni is yummy.
Pizza restaurant is Pizza Hut. I love Pizza Hut.
I don't like pizza.
My
You
dad
you
loves
like
pizza.
cheese pizza, and mommy likes Hawaiian pizza.
What's Hawaiian pizza?
What is
It has ham,
pineapple and ham?
which
Ew.
I love it. I love, mommy loves everything that has pineapple in it, right?
I know that is not disgusting.
So tell your friends to be
Disgusting.
safe.
I don't like eating that.
Oh yeah.
Tell you be safe in the snow.
Be safe in the snow, because there's ice and you could just slip over and probably just hurt one part of your body or probably break your arm.
Today I sit down on it and I was like, whoa, why would I sit down on it? That's crazy.
It's very dangerous now in the snow.
It's dangerous,
Because
yeah.
you could hit your head and you're like walking on concrete floor with the
Yeah.
snow
Like,
on
we
it.
could be like,
Okay, so you are about to take a shower and go to bed, right?
I'm about to get a drink of
bye.
water.
And I do have to do my worksheet, but I forgot.
Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Have a good night.
Have a good night. Play on the
Bye.
snow. Bye. Have a good day.